Good evening. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about Google Calendar and show you how I use it in my classroom. And hopefully it will encourage you to check it out and maybe even use it in your classroom. I think it's a really powerful tool in the classroom, and I think that it can also be a powerful tool in your personal life. So I wanted to show you what it's all about. Alright, so to get to Google Calendar, I just opened an internet browser using Chrome, and I typed in calendar.google.com. It's going to ask you to sign in, or you can click sign up and sign up for one. I do have a sign in, so I'm going to use my personal Gmail account to sign in. Now, as you can see, here is my week. So we can see the senior final exam, so I can keep track of that, when my final project is due for the seniors. And all of that is located in this calendar. You can see all of the different calendars that I actually have over here, and the colors in which they correspond with. Now, how do I use this? Here I have a frwebdesign.weebly.com, and on frwebdesign I keep all my lessons, everything, but you can see I also have calendars. So I have all my assignments that are due in each class on here, and students can come here and they can actually look at when the assignments are due. They can even, if they use Google Calendar, can click this button right here and add this calendar to their calendar. So every time I make an edit, it will show up automatically on their calendar, which I think is powerful and can really empower our students and parents to pay more closely attention to assignments this way. Now, how do I add something? So let's take a look at, let's follow this date, the 29th. I can't do anything on this, but if I'm in my calendar right here, I'm just going to click up here in month and click here. I just clicked on the cell, and I'm going to put 3 p.m. after school tutoring. Now right now it's going on my personal calendar, but I want it to go on app design. And then I'm going to put create event. Now, 3 p.m. after school tutoring on the 29th. Perfect. And it should show up. Give it just 1 second. There it is, 3 p.m. after school tutoring. How neat is that? I think it is just a great feature. Alright, so I want to show you how you can set up your calendar on your iPad. Alright, so here you can see is my iPad. All I have to do is click settings up here in the corner. Well, mine's in the corner, yours may be somewhere else. And right now I'm on the general tab, but I want to go to mail, contacts, and calendars. Now, I don't have a Google account set up except for my contacts. I deleted the one I had, and I wanted to show you how to add an account, in particular your Gmail account, and this will add also your email. So if we click add account, and then we click Gmail, my name, my email, my password, and I'm going to leave that as Gmail, and then I'm going to click next. Alright, so I want mail, I want calendars. I personally do not want notes, so I'm going to click save there. My account has been added. You can see right here that there's my account. Everything that we just talked about is on there. Don't even need to click on it, I know it's there. I'm going to exit out of settings, and then I'm going to open up calendar, and right here you can see Tuesday the 21st. Today is Tuesday, it is the 21st. It changes every single day. I think that's a really neat feature. I'm just going to click on that, and I am going to look up here in calendars. So, you may have to hit the refresh button. It might not have shown up as quickly as mine did. Whatever calendars you want to show up on your actual screen, you are going to put a check next to. So I want my personal, my web 2, and my app design. And I'm personally don't use my iCloud calendar, so I'm not going to use any of that. Facebook events, birthdays, okay, let's keep those. And then they'll just all start popping up all over your screen. To add something, you can just click down here in the corner this plus sign. It starts out on the 21st, but then you get all these. You can add them as wanted. So let's see, June 9th at 8 p.m. And then we'll click done, and then I can put a title like out to dinner. Alright, and then location, Applebee's. Yep, that looks good. Repeat never, invitees never. I can invite my husband if I wanted to. Calendar, not on my iPad, it's going to be on Carrie's personal. That means it will automatically sync with the with Google Calendar, and it will show up on my on any place I access my Google Calendar. So if I have it synced to my phone, it will show up on my phone. It will show up on calendar.google.com as well. Just going to click done and done again. And on June 9th, we are going out to dinner right there. Okay. Also, if you would like to add something this way, you can just click on top and hold. You just press down and hold until it shows up. Click and it will show up as new event, and then you can edit it the same way. So Carrie's personal, done, and it'll just show up as new event. To delete, you just click on it, edit, and delete event if you'd like to. Beyond that, again, as I said before, you can add when things are due, when you're going on field trips. You could use this for setting up parent-teacher conferences if you wanted to. Just have the parents come in and do the date that they want to. Parents will not be able to delete other parents' times, so that is a good feature that this has as well. If you want more information on it, you can call me, text me, Facebook me, or however you want to get a hold of me. That would be fine. Also, if you have any other questions, remember we're having the one-on-one sessions, which you can find on flatrock10things.weebly.com. Thanks, and have a great night.